you doing, guys? Amber from the Maitland Public Library here. Today I'm going to share with you 3 easy to make DIY phone holders that you could use for your office, home office, nightstand, kitchen, wherever you might need to hold your phone to watch a video or read a recipe while not actually holding your phone. Alright, all of these are easy to make and include things you probably have around the house. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the first one, that's easiest. This is an old credit card or it could be an old gift card. And you're just going to fold it twice. So first you're going to take like a little 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch section there and fold that over. And then take the remaining card and fold it in half. So you have like a little S shape or a holder. And then this works really well to like watch movies and things in that landscape mode. This is an iPhone 8 Plus for reference. So for my phone it's too bulky to kind of hold this way. But if you had a smaller phone that would probably work too. Alright, option number 2 is this origami phone holder. And this is really cool because this is just made from cardstock. You're going to use a 7-inch by 7-inch piece of cardstock. This is scrapbook paper, or you could use anything that you have that's just a little bit heftier. So go through the junk mail or whatever and find something a little bit heavier. You can decorate it as you like. Color, paint, markers, washi tape, whatever. Then I'm going to link below you can find the instructions and then you can watch that video and make it yourself. Really easy. What I like about this is even with my big bulky phone in like a vertical or horizontal, I don't want to read the news right now, or horizontal mode, which makes it really convenient. Also, because it's this cute craft paper, I can kind of make it whatever I want. It looks kind of nice. I'll probably put this on my nightstand. Alright, so option 3. Option 3 uses those precious toilet paper rolls. So for this, I just cut a slot here in the middle from the toilet paper roll. You could use an X-Acto knife or scissors, whatever you have. And then I decorated it with some old washi tape. And I used these little push pins as feet. With the push pins, I haven't done it yet, but I would recommend putting a piece of clay in there so that they don't poke you like mine just did. And it makes it a little sturdier. Then you'll just take your phone and boom, done. So I hope you enjoy these 3 easy to make phone holders. So it's definitely something fun that you can make with the kids, with the teens, or as a gift for a friend or a loved one. Drop it off in their front door while they aren't even paying attention. I'll stop being a creep. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy these. Again, if you want the origami instructions, click the link below in the description. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these, and we'll see you later. Looking forward to the day when we can finally have craft classes in the library again. Alright, bye.